Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Amazon Prime 50% discount. All right, so let's begin with the video. If you're looking to get Amazon Prime at 50% off, there are a couple of legitimate ways to qualify, depending on your situation. Amazon offers discounted plans specifically for certain groups, so it's worth checking if you fall into one of them before paying full price. First, go to Amazon Prime website and sign into your account. To get 50% off, one option is for students or young adults ages between 18 to 24. This plan is often called Prime for Young Adults or Student Prime. If you qualify, you can usually get a free trial if available in your region, often up to 6 months. And after that, the monthly or yearly subscription is about half the regular price. You'll typically need to verify your age or student status to keep the discount. Now, if I go back, the second option is for people who are receiving government assistance, such as certain income-based programs. If you can verify your eligibility, Amazon offers Prime at a reduced monthly rate, again, roughly 50% off the standard price. This requires submitting proof of participation in a qualifying program. In short, you can get Amazon Prime for half the price if you're either a student or young adult or eligible through government assistance programs. If you qualify for either, make sure you sign up through the discounted plan instead of the regular membership to avoid paying full price. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get Amazon Prime 50% discount. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.